तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज इंग्लिश रीडिंग इकोनॉमिक्स क्लास 12 इंग्लिश रीडिंग ये वाली बुक है अरिहंत की। सिंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर क्लास 12 इंग्लिश रीडिंग। तो इंग्लिश रीडिंग करना है, सिंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर इकोनॉमिक्स क्लास 12 अरिहंत की बुक। तो आज कौन सा पार्ट होगा? मनी एंड मेकिंग, मनी एंड बैंकिंग, money and banking system. It is referred to the system by which one commodity money and banking it is referred to the system by which one commodity is exchanged for another without use of money. Barter economy, it is a CNC economy. Okay. Drawback of barter system: lack of double coincidence of wants, lack of divisibility, lack of store of value, lack of common measure of value, lack of standard and deferred payment. Money, anything that is generally accepted as a means of exchange and that is the same time act as measure and is store of value of money is money. Evolution of money: there is various forms that money took during the process of evolution are commodity money, animal money, metallic money, which can be further classified as full bodies money, token coins. Paper money, which can further classified as a representative paper money, convertible paper money, non-convertible paper money, credit money, plastic money. Legal definition of money: according to the definition, money is anything which has the legal power to act as a medium of exchange and the discharge debt. Legally, money can be classified as legal tender money, for fiat money. This money is backed by the order of the authority of government. No non-legal tender money, it is acceptance. It's not compulsory but is based on mutual trust, such as checks, bill of exchange, etc. Functional definition of money: according to this definition, money is anything that is generally accepted as money, means of the exchange and the same time act is measure and as store value. Indian money system. Indian money system is in India currency notes issued by the Reserve Bank of India, which is temporary monetary authority in India. However, coins are issued by the government of India. Money supply, it means total amount of money available in an economy. RBI published the figure for the alternatives measure of money supply. High powered money. High powered money is considered currency held by the public and reserve of the commercial banks, which includes vaults, cash and bank deposit with RBI. High powered money. Money multiplier, it is be defined as the ratio of stock of money to the stock of high powered money in an economy. Bank, it is an institution which receives fund from the public and gives loan of advance to thus we need them. Commercial bank, these are the financial institution that accepted deposit from. Money multiplier, it is defined as a ratio of stock of money to the stock of high powered money in an economy. Bank, it is an institution which received fund from the public and give loans and advance to those we need them. Commercial bank, these are the financial institution that accepted deposit from the public and lend of out this money. Loan to consumer and investor with an objective to earn a profit. Money creation by commercial bank. Money creation means the creation of bank deposit. Increase in a bank deposit. Money creation by the commercial bank is determined by the amount of initial cash deposit and legal reserve ratio. Central bank, it is an apex body that controls, regulates, direct and operates the entire banking and the monetary system of a country. Reserve Bank of India (RBI) is the central bank of our country. Function of central bank: issue of currency, credit control, banker of the government, bankers of the bank, leader of the last resort, foreign exchange reserve. Legal reserve ratio. It is referred to the legal reserve ratio, minimum function of the deposit which the bank keep a cash or security with RBI. Cash reserve ratio, it is referred to the minimum percentage of bank total deposit required to the kept of central bank. Every bank is required to maintain a fixed percentage its assets in a form of cash or other liquid assets called liquidity ratio (SLR) kept with the bank itself. Currency deposit ratio. It is the ratio of money held by the public in currency that to hold in bank deposit. Reserve bank deposit ratio is a proportion of the total deposit of commercial bank kept as reserve. Quantitative instrument of credit control measure. Bank rate policy, open market operation, cash reserve ratio, stage liquid ratio. Marginal requirements, moral cessation, direct action. Determinants of the income and employment. Concept of aggregate demand. Aggregate demand is the value of total expenditure of all goods and services in an economy during fiscal year. Component of aggregate demand: household consumption demand or expenditure, private investment demand and expenditure, government expenditure of demand of goods and services, net export. Concept of aggregate supply. Aggregate supply is the money value of the final goods and services of national product produced in a economy during 1 year. It is equal to the income generated in the economy. Component of aggregate supply: consumption, expenditure, saving. Consumption function. The relationship between the consumption, expenditure and income is now as a consumption function. Propensity of consume. It is referred to the ratio between consumption and income. Average of consume. It is the ratio of aggregate consumption, expenditure, marginal prosperity and to consume to the ratio between change of consumption with the change in income. It is called marginal to consume. Saving function. The relationship between saving and income. It now was a saving function. Average propensity to save. The ratio between saving and income. It calls the average propensity of save. Marginal induced investment. The investment made with a view to earn more profit is now as a induced investment. It is a positive slope showing direct relationship between income and investment. Include investment is income elasticity. Autonomous investment, investment which is not influenced by the except the probability of the level of income is called autonomous investment. Is a autonomous investment curve is horizontal, straight in line or parallel to x-axis. Short-run economy can be defined as a period of time during which level output to determine only by the level of employment. Investment multiplier, it is referred to the number of change in investment multiplied to the become a change in income. तो आज हम क्या क्या रीडिंग किया, डिटरमाइंस ऑफ इनकम एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट और मनी एंड बैंकिंग. तो ये इंग्लिश रीडिंग है. तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को. धन्यवाद.